In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your domain to Base44 by modifying your DNS settings. Whether you're new to domain management or just looking to refresh your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with ease. To begin, you'll want to access your domain provider's DNS settings. Open up Chrome and log into your domain provider's website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the DNS settings section. This is usually located under domain management or a similar category. If you're unsure, most domain providers have a search function or help tab where you can find precisely where to go. Next, you'll need to retrieve the necessary DNS information from Base44. Head over to your project panel in Base44 and look for a section dedicated to DNS or domain settings. Here you'll find the details you need, such as specific DNS information, which could include an A record or a CNAME record. Make sure you have all the information handy, as you'll need it to proceed. Now that you have your DNS details ready, the next step is to add or modify the DNS records in your domain provider settings. Back in the DNS section of your domain provider site, look for options to add a new record. You'll typically have a choice between A records, CNAME records, MX records, and more. Choose the record type that matches what Base44 has provided you with. For an A record, you're usually required to enter a host, which could be an @ symbol that points to an IP address. For a CNAME, you'll need a host that often includes www or a subdomain and a target that points to your Base44 details. Carefully input the information supplied by Base44 into these fields. It's crucial to double-check each entry to ensure accuracy. After entering the necessary information, don't forget to save your changes. This action prompts the DNS settings to start updating, a process known as DNS propagation. It's important to note that this can take some time, anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours. So a bit of patience is required as your domain updates take effect across the web. During this waiting period, you can confirm the domain connection status directly in Base44. Go back to your Base44 project panel and check for any connection status updates or notifications. This confirmation lets you know when the changes have been made successfully. Once everything is connected and you have a confirmed connection, you're ready for the final step, publishing your project using the newly connected domain. This is usually an exhilarating moment, as it means your project is live for everyone to access through your custom domain. Simply head over to the Publish section of Base44 and follow the prompts to launch your project. And that's it. You've now successfully connected your domain to Base44.